short demo that we'll be doing to highlight one of the latest releases. So we added the ability to do multi-panel chat. One of the main reasons for it is that sometimes you want to just compare how different models are performing. So I'm going to select here the R1, here I'm going to select the V3, and here I'm going to say how to train a neural network. So and I'm going to send it here, and then maybe I'm going to select here the Sonnet model, train a neural network. So as you can see, the R1 has the thinking tokens. One of the values for it is that you'll be able to try what will be the best solution that you want. So this is Anthropic's answer. This is DeepSeek V3 answer. So as you can see, Anthropic here didn't give any code. We're going to say give code. Here the R1 is still in the thinking tokens. So as you can see here, we had time to go through multi-turn, whereas here we're still in the thinking token. The V3, without prompting to give code, gave us directly example code. And here this is the Anthropics model. So let's go and see still thinking for the R1. We're gonna say continue.